Got the big guy going this morning. It's minus 13 right now. Cold. No gloves. Hands are cold. So I just come out to the apiary just to see the aftermath of perhaps a stormy day. And first glance, all the covers are still on. I've got jars and pails on too, so some of them have bricks. So I really wasn't expecting a lot of calamity here. My new charger seems to be working okay on the fence. It's clicking away. I'll turn that off and climb over the fence here. The truck is cold, so it's going up on high idle. Have a look at this new solar panel. It's so bright out here. Without my sunglasses, I can hardly see a thing. This new solar panel is 100 watts. Seems to be working really well. Got our display. It says it's charging 14.56 volts. The battery is happy. Should be able to get a amperage on it. Well, got that together. Have a look around here. So I've got some empty spaces here. That's the ones that I took away. All the snow on the bottom boards. Icy time. Syrup is all frozen. Look at that. There's ice crystals in the syrup. Yikes. It's leaking on the lid there. These are the ones I had, I call them my binny boards. So that one's over a binny board. And this one I took inside. It had the binny board here. So I think it looks okay here. It looks like I have visitors. Somebody wandering through here. There's a skunk around here, I know it. So, the skunk is making the rounds. Going between the hives here. I guess. I don't know. That skunk, is it? They pull the entrance reducers out to get at the bees. He's sure making the rounds though, look. Tracks everywhere. Been up on there. Look, probably he's pulling those bees out. It's box to box. You could follow them around to there and to there. Here's my broodminder hive. These two here. So they've had a bit of a cold time, and opposed to my other two broodminder hives over here, a little more cozy. So that's a dead out. I've had a few dead outs. So my little friend has made its way over here. Everybody's a tracker. Can you tell me what that is? Is that a skunk? One thing that makes me maybe think it's not a skunk is that the snow is about 3 inches deep. And skunks kind of drag on the ground. They're pretty low slung, so I don't know if that's a skunk. Maybe. I didn't have enough pails. I had to resort to my half-gallon jars. There's another dead out here, and there's one over there. And there's one there. So we have had a little bit of loss. But overall, the bees look really good. I don't have a lot of really tiny ones. You know, I'm counting frames of bees, and I'm being conservative with these numbers. 4 frames. You know, look at this one over here. I can't even count that high. That's a lot. 3 there. So even the 3s are about the smallest ones. There's a, yeah. So, oh, I'm gonna get back in the truck. My hands are cold. So just a little update on the apiary. and what it looks like today after 2 days of cold. Another cold day, another cold night. Tomorrow is going to be warm again. So 1st of April is going to be warm, and then warm all weekend. There's a nuke that didn't make it. The lids are upside down. They don't make it, then they get cleaned up. So there we go. Got to get in the big guy. Need to go to town and get some lumber. So everybody have a good day. Have fun.